Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet this 5-sided or pentagon shaped shape. For this tutorial, you're going to need to know how to do a treble crochet and a half double crochet. If you need help with any of that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. So to start off, you are going to chain 5 and then you are going to work 15 treble crochets all within the last chain stitch of the chain that you just did. Once you have your 15 treble crochets, you will join them with a slip stitch. From this point, you are going to chain 2, and in that spot where you joined with a slip stitch, you are going to work a half double crochet, followed by working 2 half double crochets in the next stitch, and 2 half double crochets in the following stitch. Then you'll chain 2, and then you will work 2 half double crochets in each of the next 3 stitches. So it'll be a total of 6 half double crochets. Once you get your 6 half double crochets, then you will chain 2, and you'll repeat this method all the way around. So again, you'll be working in the next 3 stitches, 2 half double crochets in each stitch, and then you'll chain 2. And once you get to the end, you'll chain 2 and join with a slip stitch in the top of that chain 2 space from the previous counting up. And that's how you crochet a 5-sided block. If you had any help with this video, give it a like, and I hope that you have a happy crochet day.